relationship with the Seattle Boat Company helps us to provide reliable boats on the water for our campers. What does it mean to have a reliable boat on the water? Well, amongst the children that we serve, we have homeless youth, we have foster youth, we have children from low income scenarios, and you can imagine if it's your turn to go out on the boat and yet again you're told the boat is broken down. But because of the relationship with the Seattle Boat Company, we don't have that problem. Kids get to go out on the boats when it's their turn to go out on the boats. So it's not just about reliability. It's giving these children an experience like they've never had before.
Thank you, Seattle Boats! Thank you, Seattle Boat Company!
Especially for the red one.
As executive director for one of the most popular summer camps in all of Washington State, we're so thankful for the relationship with Seattle Boat, for the reliability, for that once-in-a-lifetime experience, and giving children and youth an opportunity to be out on the water. So thank you, Seattle Boat. We'll see you on the water.